You got anything else on you that's gonna stick harm us or poke us or anything? Y'all gonna be under arrest for this, okay? The bank wants to prosecute, the person wants to prosecute. We'll make it as easy for you as possible, okay?
Hey, she left already.
I just got back from lunch. This is the ID she presented to this gentleman. She came in week before last and did a withdrawal, and she's been to other branches.
Okay. And she's not this person.
She's not that person.
So, hold on, Teresa. And then she sent it in.
So this is the one that we had from week before last that was sent out in our market, saying be on the lookout for her.
And so this is the person y'all do have an account, Teresa.
Correct.
Okay, and this person y'all have an account to too. So right now we don't know who she is.
Correct.
Hey, now, before I go, we need to talk to you real quick, okay? Now, we need to talk to you real quick. I'm Officer of Hayville Police Department. The reason why we need to talk to you is basically that we got a call stating that you was trying to make some bank transactions or cash a check, whatever you were trying to do, utilizing someone else's information, not yours, and you was trying to impersonate yourself as that person. Are you aware of that?
No.
Okay, then. Do you have your ID now?
No.
You don't have ID?
I just left it on the counter, I think, in there.
You left it on the counter. Why did you leave it on the counter?
It's in here.
Okay. We can get it. Hold a second. Just stay back. Let me get it right. Yeah.
What's going on?
Hello.
Hi.
Tell us what's going on. What you doing here today?
Nothing.
Nothing. You're at the bank.
I was trying to make a
All
transaction.
right. So here's the thing. We're gonna go ahead and cut out all the bull crap. Okay. You're doing something wrong here. It's in your best interest to tell us what that is. So go ahead and do that. Okay. Just be honest. It's okay. You can tell us.
I just tried to do something illegal.
Okay. Well, tell us what that is. Okay. And why did you do it? That's the main thing.
How?
Or why?
I'm just going through a lot of things. My son got locked up. I'm just having financial hardship right now.
Okay. Did somebody set you up to this, or was it something that you decided to do?
No, it's just something that I heard about, and I just
Tried to see.
Yes.
Okay.
The 21st of May 2025, Hayville Police responded to a bank fraud call. A woman was intercepted at the exit. Bank staff identified her on the spot. What followed on Bodycam exposes critical gaps in Miranda compliance and Georgia identity fraud law. The initial contact was a consensual encounter under United States versus Mendenhall. No seizure until a reasonable person would no longer feel free to leave. That threshold crossed quickly once two uniformed officers began targeted questioning inside a bank lobby. The subject then stated unprompted, "I just tried to do something illegal." No Miranda warning had been issued. Miranda versus Arizona is unambiguous. Custodial interrogation requires prior advisement of the right to silence and the right to counsel. The core legal question is whether custody had already attached at that moment. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, custody exists when a reasonable person would not feel free to leave regardless of formal arrest status. Two officers, a bank lobby, an identified suspect. A court could find custody attached before the first question was asked. Defense will seek suppression. The outcome turns on that determination. The prosecution's strongest counterargument is Oregon versus Mathiasen. Spontaneous, unprompted statements are not interrogation under Miranda. If the admissions were truly voluntary, they survive suppression. But that argument is contested, and it is the case's primary appellate risk.
please don't.
You got your regular ID?
No.
Okay.
Come here real quick. Let me holler at you real quick. Y'all watch her.
She admitted to it.
What?
She admitted to it.
Okay, this is what the deal is. This ain't her,
Nope.
and that ain't her.
She knows that.
Okay.
She just said she did it all fraudulently because she needed some money.
Okay, cool.
I got the why. She did it because she's our kid.
What's your name?
Savannah.
Savannah?
Okay. How did you get up here?
Uber.
You Uber?
Y'all, I just been going through a lot. I just got put out of my apartment. My son is locked up. It's just a lot going on.
No, just because you're going through something, that doesn't mean it's okay to your ID from Georgia.
Yes. I didn't take anything.
Miss Savannah, do me a favor and don't use your phone right now.
Okay.
Where's your driver's license?
I didn't bring them. My real stuff.
How much money did she get on this one?
On which one?
The first one.
A lot.
What was a
Came to
lot?
our branch
I need to know a number.
Yeah. And who?
Was it? Did it happen here in Hayville?
and some other branches.
I'm talking about no.
Branch.
How much money did she get from Hayville? That's the only one I can put a case on. and tell me I need the date and time she came here and draw.
I think she did 8, so about 60,
Huh?
about 15.
15 what?
15,000.
15,000?
Have her print all that for the last one, get her for that one, and this one for identity fraud on this. On
And
the
this
second
one,
Did she get any money for
tried to
that?
get out 8,000, but the account is inactive.
Okay, so 15,000. We need a printout on that then.
Yeah, and we need everything printed from the transaction, the amount. Did y'all contact the account holder?
The account owner is either, if I can remember, Alabama or Florida.
Okay, if you could get us his or her information, how much money was taken out, because obviously those people would be victims and the bank itself as. Did y'all file a report that time?
No, because it wasn't discovered until she went to other branches.
Okay.
It was not the person, the account owner at that point went in.
Gotcha. She got $15,000, $8,000 to $15,000 the last time you were here, right?
The last time.
Yeah, we got your ID from last time too, where you used your other ID when you came here. So this is the second time. She didn't get any money this time because the account was inactive, but the last time she got $15,000. People go through things, I get it. But you got a lot of victims here. You're stealing from several different people. So what do you think should happen to you?
I should get a warning.
Think so?
A warning?
You think so?
Yes.
Why do you think that?
I don't know what I'm doing.
You do know what you're doing. You're growing. You know exactly what you're doing. You did it twice. I'm being realistic with you. I'm being as real with you as I can. So, I mean, that's a lot of money. You can't just swipe that under the carpet like that's $15,000 you stole from somebody.
You think if somebody did that to you, they deserve a warning?
They took your money out of
second
your.
chance,
If they
depending
look,
on if they had things going on,
they took money out of your account and
and
you
like
used.
to pay it back to that person or something.
That's not how that works. You can't pay that $15,000 back. That's why you're here. You used somebody else's ID and stole their money. So that's two things. It's a big deal. This ruins people's lives, not just yours, but if you come in and take money out of my account and pretend like you're me, you're ruining my credit. You're taking money out of my kid's mouth. Other ways to do stuff. I've been broke before and came up, and I didn't go steal nothing. So you gave them your real ID? No, the officers.
I don't have.
No, did you give your officers your real information? I'm
Yes,
sorry. Okay.
yes, my real name. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, my real name. Yes.
It came back. You ever been arrested before?
When I was younger,
What for?
my husband and I got into a fight, and I hit him in front of the police.
Like a domestic or something?
Yeah, they charged me, I think, with aggravated assault for hitting him in front of the police. That was like,
Did you hit him with something?
no, my hand.
How long ago?
Like 2009 or something. Way back. It might not even been in the 2000s.
What's your son arrested for?
He shot himself walking down the street or something in Clayton County. And I guess they have cameras or something and they saw it. He got picked up for a warrant, so when they saw that, they transferred him to Clayton County.
If I could.
What information do you need from the ones that you need here?
Yeah,
Name and number of the customer, the true customer?
that's it. And the amount and the date that she did it.
Got it, okay.
Okay, the only ones I need for is Hayville.
Yeah.
Okay, got you. Appreciate you now.
No, she said she Ubered here.
I was just saying she had car keys, I don't trust her, man. I don't even think who that name she gave us is her, man. I think we need to rapid ID.
Is that supposed to be her?
No, these are not her.
Okay, so I guess the last time she came in here, did she give her real ID?
No,
That's what she gave
Let me see
us?
what she do, man.
And the customer, the true customer went into a branch, whatever state they're in, and said that money has been coming out. And that's how we.
So here's the thing. She got her picture on these IDs. These are not her name. This is not her name.
Right.
This is a different name with her picture on it.
Yeah.
So some kind of way she's giving us our customers' account information.
Yeah.
So her name is Sawana. She swears that's her real stuff. I mean, whether it is or not, we'll find out.
Yeah, because like I said, these are convincing.
Usually what happens is these people find a homeless person on the side of Cleveland Ave and say, let me take your picture. I'll be back tomorrow. I'll give you $100 if you go in and cash this check. And they come back with a fake ID with the picture on it. Well, we just had a guy, last week or the week before at Delta Community do the same thing.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, man.
But she got 15 grand last time?
Yeah. This one had some transaction with 8,000.
So she tried to get 8 this time. The last time she was here, she got 15.
That's what
She actually got it. Walsh says this is the second time.
That's what I'm saying, dude. She did 2 transactions on the same day. For 8,000?
Today or the last time?
No, the last time.
The last time.
Oh,
And
that
she got both of them.
Which
right?
one? This one here.
Uh-huh.
Okay, she got 16,000.
Yeah, she got a total of 16 from us.
Cause check this out. When we run this ID, these numbers come back to somebody else.
Okay. The one at Delta was an older black guy, came back to an old white guy.
Yeah, so I
Y'all
told her to
don't
print the
look
whole
alike.
over. And you said today she tried to get another 8,000.
Another 8,000. So this is the 8 that she tried to get, but the account is inactive, meaning there hasn't been any activity.
So right now I got 2 charges of identity theft, and then the other one's gonna be 2 charges of fraud.
Issue 1. Financial Identity Fraud. Under Georgia Code, Title 16, Chapter 9, Section 121, using another person's identifying without consent to obtain money is a felony. Losses exceeded $15,000, triggering sentencing enhancements. Each victim account accessed constitutes a separate count. Issue 2. Financial Transaction Card Fraud. Under Georgia Code, Title 16, Chapter 9, Section 33, 3 additional counts arise from the bank cards and withdrawal slip, recovered from the subject's purse after arrest. That search was clean under Chimel versus California, no warrant required. Issue 3, Probable Cause. Under Illinois versus Gates, probable cause requires only a fair probability that a crime has occurred. Staff identification, the fraudulent ID at the counter, and voluntary admissions, 3 independent sources. The arrest was legally unimpeachable. Issue 4, Use of force. Cooperative subject, shoulder injury noted, front handcuffed. Under Graham versus Connor, force must be objectively reasonable, given the offense severity, threat level, and degree of resistance. 0 resistance. No use of force issues in this encounter. Grades. The officer receives an A-. Professional technique, sound evidence collection, appropriate force. 1 deduction. Miranda was not issued at the point. The encounter shifted from consensual contact to targeted custodial questioning. That gap creates a suppression risk that correct procedure eliminates in seconds. The subject receives a D. She returned to the same branch that had an active lookout on her, carrying fabricated ID and the victim's bank cards. She then confessed without counsel surrendering, the only legal protection the Fifth Amendment guaranteed her. The bank staff receives an A+. Teller Baker recognized the repeat offender and deliberately stalled the transaction, directly preventing the theft and enabling the arrest. That institutional response is the standard for financial fraud prevention.
All right, now, what I need from you before I go, I just need a recorded statement on what happened today.
Okay,
If you can just tell me what happened, what occurred today.
sure. She came in, presented a different ID, asking for $8,000 out of the inactive account. Baker pretty much stalled because we recognized her before when she came in, so he kind of stalled, and that's when we called you all to have her arrested.
Okay.
Pretty much.
Well, hey, thank you for your statement. Any further things you need from us, you can reach out to us.
Do you need that cane to walk?
Yes.
All right, well, you get your purse from me, okay? You got anything else on you that's gonna stick harm us or poke us or anything? You're gonna be under arrest for this, okay? The bank wants to prosecute, the person wants to prosecute. We're gonna make it as easy for you as possible, okay?
All right.
We're gonna walk you to the car, we're gonna handcuff you when you get to the car, okay?
All right.
Lessons. Lesson 1. Miranda is not a booking formality. Custody is a legal condition, not a physical one. When questioning targets a specific offense and the subject cannot reasonably leave, warnings must issue, every time, no exceptions. Lesson 2. The Fifth Amendment costs nothing to invoke. Under Edwards versus Arizona, saying I want an attorney ends interrogation immediately and irrevocably. 1 sentence exercised here, it changes the evidentiary picture entirely. Lesson 3. Physical evidence anchors fraud prosecutions. The withdrawal slip, fraudulent IDs, and bank cards exist independent of anything the subject said. This case supports full prosecution even if every statement were suppressed. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.